Hello my friends, so finally I have got this part for my car. These are AMG Black Series engine mounts. Here you can see the part number on it. Actually this is Maybach part number, but it is for Black Series, but very good. It fits on W210 with M113 engine. Guys, I will now remove the engine mounts from these lovely boxes. By the way, these are directly from Germany, from Daimler, and show you what is inside. So here they are, my friends, brand new engine mounts from Black Series. As you can see here, they are made in Germany, of course. Here you can see the part number, and trust me, don't think that anyone makes them as generic. They are made in Germany. They are made by Boge. Here you can see no Lemforder and other stuff. These Black Series engine mounts are made by Boge, Germany. These are not cheap parts. If you are going to spend 50 euros for engine mount, this is not game you are looking for. This cost about 120 euros per one, and it is quite expensive part. Here you can see I removed now the rubber cover from the engine mount itself and how the engine mount looks itself. Engraved letter Germany, greased, and so on. The engine mount is enough heavy duty. This is enough heavy item. As I know, this is the stiffer, the most stiffer or stiffest, as you can tell and as you can call. Excuse me for my English. I am trying to do my best for you. Most stiff engine mounts that Mercedes offers. There also are some other brands, but I don't trust them. I'd better try this Mercedes one, not aftermarket stuff. Here you can see how it looks. It is made, what can I say here, in the best manner and standards of Mercedes. Let's put this white cover on it and see once again closer this item. Guys, I was going to buy them a very long time, but the prices were very high. That's why I decided to order them directly from Daimler, Germany, and finally I have got them. If you want them, you can check online on their website. Here you can see my engine. The passenger side engine mount is very easy to remove. The bottom bolt is 30, the top bolt is 60. It is very easy to access from the top, but the driver side is a little bit difficult, and you have to do something to remove it, but I think I will be able to swap this engine mounts. Once again, guys, this is enough expensive upgrade, about 260 euros I paid for both engine mounts, and I think that result will be worth every euro I pay on it. For them, I pay for them. In the future, I am going to do some modifications with my engine, and now I think that these engine mounts are very good decision, guys. I also am running some AMG transmission mounts on my car. So hope this video was enough informational. If you like it, please thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.